still trying to form itself, but you know, I absolutely love cleaning off plants' leaves because it is so relaxing and it's so good for the plants. Like I was saying, that it really helps them photosynthesize because think about the amount of dust that builds up on our in our homes on like a weekly basis that just cakes up on everything, including our plants. And when our plants are blocked with dust, they're not taking in as much sunlight as they can, which they need to in order to grow and grow stronger and healthier. But also, like I was mentioning earlier, the other added benefit of cleaning off your plant's leaves is the fact that if this plant has any pests, we're just washing them off and getting in the habit of doing this on a regular basis. I like to do it at least once every 2 weeks, sometimes every week. It really will help cut down on pests coming back, knowing that, this is something where if I go onto this leaf, I'm just going to get killed off, which they should.